Nowadays, deskless workers in large enterprises deal with many IT subsystems. Though it can be beneficial for admins, it's not always the case for deskless workers. They find the daily use of many systems time-consuming, ineffective and distracting. Imagine using a CRM system during your daily activities, then suddenly having to check your company's ERP system, HCM or PIM system, because what you need is on another platform. A waste of time, right? This is where the Empact platform comes in and creates unity. The Empact platform is a flexible employee app that integrates with many IT subsystems. It combines all your work-related platforms into one single app, making sure that the information your employees receive is based on their role and department. This way, your employees have more time to focus on what they really need to do to be efficient and productive, without checking elsewhere. Experience mobile training, onboarding programs, employee handbooks, and many more features with the Empact platform. They are strategically designed to make your employees grow and be effective. It's time to give your employees the personal digital workplace they deserve. Empact. We make work life easy for you.